cat accidentally made his owner rich, because when the girl came looking for rare gemstones, she brought her cat who has a really good sense of smell. At first, they found some tiny colorful stones, but they didn't seem to be valuable at all. Then the cat started using his nose and found some unique rocks, such as one that looked like a piece of meat, and even orange stone balls that were stuck together. He also found a crystal that had rainbow lights shining inside it. But then this little guy climbed into a crack in a big rock. So the girl carefully picked up the rock, and at first it looked like just a normal rock. But it turned out there was a hidden space in the back, and inside it was pure gold. And if this made you smile, leave a like.